Right, here we go then with another one. It's quite windy down below already, so don't know about the drone, but we'll see up top. Anyway, we're on Kinder Scout. Let's give it a go. Yeah, so Kinder Scout, it's the highest peak in the Peak District this is, and it's actually a mountain, 2,087 feet. And it's been an SSSI since 2009. That's a special site of scientific interest. That's the one. Yeah, so this mountain in 1932, it was subject of a trespass by a load of walkers, ramblers. There was wealthy landowners basically cornered off parts of the land and stopped walkers walking, and the protest, hundreds of people went up onto the mountain and protested against it. And the outcome was more awareness for walkers and ramblers, so at least there was an outcome to it. Yeah, so we're a lot further in there. It's basically scrambling alongside this waterfall stream here. Having a few minutes break. Some fluids. Getting there. Softer than I thought. The ascent on this.
Down here as well. If you get back to
So them rocks behind are known as the wall packs. There you go, it's caked with mud, this route is. So you have to find your way around it. That's the problem with the winter hikes, caked with mud. That's where I come from, them rocks in the distance there. Come from towards the right there, scrambles up to them rocks, and then walking across now to the Edale trig point. There you go, that's the summit of Kinder Scout. That's actually known as the Edale trig point. It's a few feet lower than the highest plateau point. It's a bit too far to go over to there today. So there you go, Kinder Scout. That's where we come from, that rock formation up there. Be aware, if you do this all trials route and you want to get to the Edale summit, it's a 20-minute diversion. You have to do a right off the all trials path and follow it up to them rocks there. And it's about another 5-minute walk from them rocks. That takes you to the Edale trig point. And that's still not actually the highest point of Kinder Scout. There's a plateau that's 10 foot higher, the true summit of Kinder Scout. So maybe I'll do that one day as well. Just on a descent then now. It's quite a trek really. Fantastic though. And Kinder Scout. Scout means a hanging rock. And Kinder has got a pretty obscure meaning really, no one knows the origins of it. So yeah, Kinder Scout. So that groove there on the right's where we scrambles up. Hit that rock plateau. And all the rocks there. And all the way along there to them other rocks. And then just beyond that's the Edale summit. That's where you come down the mountain path there. So this is known as Jacob's Ladder. And the last time I done Kinder Scout, I ascended this one. And believe me, it's a killer. Much nicer coming down it and going up. So there you go, that's part of Jacob's Ladder. Really is an ascent, and it's named after an 18th century farmer called Jacob Marshall, and he farmed this land and he cut a lot of these rocks into it. And the Jacob's Ladder is a reference to from the Bible. Jacob's Ladder, the dreamy ladder that goes up to heaven. Yeah. Jacob's Ladder. So that's known as the River No, that is. And that bridge there, that's actually a grade 2 listed bridge, that is. Can't move my head. Grade 2 listed bridge. Superb, isn't it? That peak in the distance there, I'm sure that's Mam Tor. I'm sure that's Mam Tor there. Yep, so that peak up there, that's Mam Tor. I was right. Just checked it on the map. Mam Tor. Another good one, that is. So this is the official start point for the trial I've done. But be aware, I arrived at 12 noon and there wasn't one space. So I've had to park about a mile away. I have in a lay-by. I just managed to squeeze into a lay-by. So yeah, be aware. That's it then, just approaching the end. I had to park a mile away from the official start point. So that's it, I'm all done. Kinder Scout. Nice 9 miler. Cheers guys. See you next time. That's the wall packs. It's not fucking Edale far.